and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I know I haven't been very regular, but I'm trying. Life's been a little hectic. Today is a Saturday that firstly I'm alone at home and there's nobody with me. So I thought I'll make the most of this Saturday and go to a friend's house and we'll get into some arts and craft and get creative. So I thought I'm going to vlog this because according to me, art is something that is very, very therapeutic. It's something that takes your mind off all the stress and all the troubles that you have. So if you're ever feeling low, my advice is try painting. It really, really helps. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just feeling a little low. So I thought that I'll get ready, motivate myself, go meet a friend, do some arts and crafts with her, get creative, and maybe I'll feel better by the end of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that and I'm taking you guys with me. So let's go.
It's December in Bombay.
Guys, meet Aditi.
Hello vlog, hello Arsha people.
Aditi, what are we doing?
We have come for art shopping. Hello, कैसे हो आप? He knows me, I'm a regular customer.
Wow, Aditi is very good at art and
I'm falling in your vlog.
I feel like I'm back in like the 5th grade or something. I haven't come to a shop like this. Huh, na?
This shop I think will remind you of Delhi. All these games to play and people are still playing with us.
Savage.
How many colors are too many colors?
Wow. I'm in heaven.
Yes. Decide what colors you want. I'll get silver for you.
Since my room is pink and grey, so we let the pros decide.
So many colors.
Woohoo! Colors are there, canvas is here. Yeah. Aditi being cute. Aditi, what are you asking for?
I'm asking for apron. I'm asking him to take it out from the kit. कर दूँ ना भैया?
Okay guys, Aditi is going to teach me how to do this because I have not done this before, and while we are doing this we are also going to be talking about how we met each other, and yeah, I'm telling you a little interesting facts about our friendship. So the colors basically that we have chosen are my room ka colors, my Bombay room ka colors. So we
I
are
haven't seen your Bombay place.
No, I have not. I have to do a room tour.
You should.
Okay, bolo. क्या करेंगे?
So first let's take one color. Not what we'll do. Which color do you want the most out of all these?
I think pink and purple and silver highlights only. Pink, purple maximum.
Okay. So let's put silver. You want silver highlights only, right?
Yeah.
So silver should go last. Silver should go last. You put pink.
Straight. You don't have to mix anything in this. Woo! Guys, just that is therapeutic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just pouring it in the cup is therapeutic.
Now you do it like you take it from this side only and you put it.
Put this only in
Yeah.
this? Oh wow!
Now let's put a little white.
You have to tell me how I'm doing it. I don't know what I have to do.
Okay. So now you put it in one place. Like just keep dropping.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
And now you ऐसे rotate it a little. Inside only.
Wow. Wow, guys, you have to see this.
Just filling this glass is so much fun.
Guys, if I can just show this to you, I don't know if you can see. I would drink this.
Same.
Okay, should I pour?
Yeah.
Okay guys, तो अभी हमारे साथ थोड़ी सी BT हो गई है. Is that we got so
You need to tell them what's BT.
BT is if you're from Delhi or if you speak the language that we speak, BT means bad trip. तो हुआ क्या है is that we were so busy in creating the canvas that I did not check if it was recording or not, and it did not record. But anyhow, there is a savior, and we have Aditi. Aditi is very disappointed.
I'm talking, okay? I'm talking.
Yeah, we were talking non-stop. It's
We've
true.
told half of the story of our life and it's not recorded.
Yeah, but anyways, we are going to do this again because we have one more canvas to go. Till then, I will show you what we have made. Here is the artwork.
And here's
No,
the artist.
that is not that.
It was supposed to be like, the first vlog where I'm gonna be seen, and I just kept talking. I got so excited that.
अभी थोड़ा story हम अभी से शुरू कर देते हैं.
हाँ तो फिर कैसे मिले थे हम?
Okay, so I'll tell you how we met.
Yeah, but I want to say something first. That vlogging is not easy.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of efforts. I thought you just take your camera everywhere and you record it, but now when I'm seeing her do it, like here, it's not easy. It takes a lot of efforts.
Yeah. So we met. Aditi and I met on
The sets.
on the set. So Aditi is a stylist who has done several projects. There is Love Aajkal 2, Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas is very special because that is, I think,
That was my first project, and that's where I made really good friends, like friends for life, you can say. Arsha, Jyoti, we miss you. We have
Yeah.
already said this before, but yeah, we miss you.
and Saurabh, of course, who
Saurabh.
is also another friend of
Yeah,
ours.
we can't miss that.
So yeah, I think that film happened to us only because I think we were meant to meet. That is the only, I don't know, I mean, I don't know if I should say this, but I think that is the best thing that came out of that film for all of us.
I actually never thought that, it's very. I didn't know that you can actually make such good friends
Yeah, even I did.
in a place like Bombay where everybody is so busy. But I met you guys and it all just started clicking off. How we spent so much time together.
Yeah.
It's been years now. I can't.
I think 3 years now.
3
4
years.
4 years.
And that's when we started. Like both of us, we started our career. And
Yeah, it's
you're my first friend in Mumbai.
same. I think Aditi, Jyoti, Saurabh are the reason that Bombay became like home for me.
Yeah. Something happens. Arsh, listen, we need to catch up.
Yeah, I mean, it's always been like that. Jyoti's left us and gone to Canada, but regardless, we are still keeping up the tradition. Chalo, let's start. And the beauty is that I think we're all from like different cities, so for us,
Yeah, Bombay is a place, that unites us as well. Like, we come from different places, we all have different backgrounds. We come to Bombay here, we are independent, and you guys are literally like family here.
yeah, and it's not easy to live away from family, but when you have friends that are like family, I don't think anything is better
We
than
have
that.
celebrated so many festivals together, I guess. I can't remember.
Festivals, we celebrated our
Holi.
birthdays, so many birthdays.
Yeah, because not for everything you can't run back home, right? So you need people who you can share a happiness with. If something goes wrong at work, these guys are literally just one call away. If I'm feeling low,
Always,
yeah.
always. Similar to today, Aditi was one call away when I was feeling low. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. I have less white in this book. I think it looks nice. And I think this form of art I have not tried before. So
But have you told them that you paint anyway? You
I sketch and I paint, yeah, but it's been a while since I did it. best part of this. This is so therapeutic. Wow.
I love what's happening here with wine.
Yeah. Guys, this is insane. So this is fluid art for all of you who don't know. This is not just normal painting. You get special colors for this.
Yeah. Just in case if you like try to make this, you need to get special colors for this.
There you go. You can see it now.
Is it flowing?
Not really. This looks insane. You know the beauty of this is going to be when I put it up. When I put it up, I'm going to remember this moment.
Yeah. It's very easy to actually get paintings from outside and just put it in your room. But when you make it on your own, it feels so special.
And it has a memory attached to it. So I
Yeah.
think that is the beauty of this. By the way, guys, any of you looking for a stylist, hit Aditi up.
Yeah.
See, both of us have got, both are, I don't know how to say it, but one side is Aditi's and one side is mine. And
Yeah, and it's standing out different, yet it looks
yeah,
good together.
look at it. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna put it
Asha
here.
is my new art partner. Like I'm gonna be.
Bro, I'm doing this again and again and again. There you go, guys. Those are the two canvases.
Art and artist.